Hello, this is a demonstration of our EPOS software. Now this is an optional extra to Gardlink, but basically it turns your computer into a proper till and it all links in with your stock figures and everything into Gardlink, so it is worth thinking about. So looking at the screen here, this is your main login screen. You'll notice big blue buttons. It's because it's got a touchscreen in mind. But a keyboard and mouse work just as well. So I'm just going to log in here. You have two user types, a supervisor and a standard user. The standard user is unable to do refunds or exchanges without the supervisor present. Okay, so this is the main screen. So I'm just going to put a regular sale through to show you how quick and easy it is. So we just scan the barcode, take payment, and then we'll put it through as card. So we click card, and then we're done. So we then click the big blue button to take us back to the beginning. So really, really easy. At the top here, we've got what we call them hotkeys. They're shortcuts for products that are on the system. So if you haven't got a barcode for them or they're just sitting on till pickup cards, pickup items, then you can just use these shortcuts. So again, you just click them. This one I've done a generic greetings card, so I'm just going to key in the price. And that can go there. There we go. And again, you can then just scan away, add your other lines to it as well. And take payment, card, finish. Right, so one of the big new updates is that the EPOS is now tied in with national book tokens. So to make life a lot easier, you don't have to use their website or their authenticator app. It's all built in. So if we go to book tokens and then we scan the card, and there we go. If they had a balance, you'd be able to check it at this point, but we're just going to add some money to the card and then click top up. There you go. If they had more than one card, you can then scan the next one and rinse and repeat until you're done, but we'll just click proceed, and he's added as a sales line. So again, we just put him through as a normal transaction, take payment, card. There we go. So that's £10 added to that card, and if you like, we can print off a balance receipt for the customer as well. Click finish, finish sale, and then we're back to normal. So we're taking the money from a card. It's just as easy. So let's do a item for £10. There we go. Take payment, and we use the NBT button at the bottom. And again, we scan the card. Now this time it's telling us there's a balance of £10 already on there, so that's good. So we're going to key in, if we needed to, the amount we're going to spend. Click redeem. And again, if they're going to use money off multiple cards, you can then just scan the next one and repeat the process. Click proceed, redeem, and finish. And then big blue button to finish sale. One thing that I haven't mentioned yet is with the hotkeys here, you've got 10 buttons, but they can be changed into what we call a folder or nested hotkey. So if you click on the button, it can then open up to another layer of buttons underneath, and then another layer underneath that. So potentially you could have hundreds of buttons. Okay, so that's EPOS in a nutshell. There's not, because it's deliberately simple, there's not a great deal to take you through. There is some extra features in the back office part of it, which are worth showing you. So I'll click on log out and we log into the manager functions. Most of this is settings, but I'll take you through it anyway. You've got setting up your own discount buttons, setting up your payment types, setting up your sales staff, and departments. A useful thing in the back here is the promotions manager. So I'll just click on him. So this allows you to set up your own promotions. You've got to buy something, get something free, spend so much, get so much off, buy something, get something else half price. You can set it between the start and finish date. You can assign it to absolutely everything in your database, or you can create a list if you've got like a clearance table or things like that. This all runs automatically once set up, so whoever's on the till doesn't have to remember that there's a deal on and miss it. So click finish on that one. In the back here, you've also got your Z-read, so your daily breakdown of your sales to print off. It's all broken up into VAT, non-VAT, and departments, and scroll down a little bit more, all your different payment types that you might have on there, including showing you how your promotions have been split. And then again, in the background here, there are some built-in reports, very similar to what's on the external reporter, but again, this one is built in. It's searched between two dates, and then you can bring up all your transactions, for example, in there. And all of these are basically sales-related reports. Okay, so that's basically EPOS in a nutshell. Thank you for your time.